There's my final finished acrylic fluid art. Sometimes we just don't like how they end up. So a decal or a sticker transfer. I got this off Amazon, I think. I used it on used a similar one on a previous pour, and I thought I might just put him there because I've already got a branch. And yes, he is off to the side a bit, but you could turn this art piece this way, and I think he looks really good. So I'm going to stick him on there and put a bit of sparkle as well, and then I'll be happy with the final outcome. What do you think?